Hi guys, I'm Farish, and today I'll be making a Cartesian diver. But first, what even is a Cartesian diver? So, a Cartesian diver. What is a Cartesian diver? A Cartesian diver is a science experiment that demonstrates how density, buoyancy, and gas compression works. It is named after the French philosopher and scientist René Descartes. To make one, first, you need to cut a straw to about 4 to 5 cm. I prefer to use bigger and more colorful straws which are more visible. Then, tape the top of the straw as to create a sealed air bubble inside. After that, I glued some paper clips to act as weight for the Cartesian diver. In this video, I used tape, but I later remodeled it as it looked messy. Next, I poked some holes to allow water to exit and enter the straw as the pressure changes, thus enabling the diver to sink when squeezed and rise when pressure is released. Lastly, I filled a recycled plastic bottle with water and placed the diver inside. And voila! One Cartesian diver experiment complete. Now how does this all work? Firstly, let's talk about this. It's able to float because there's a tiny little air pocket inside of the straw. And the reason it's able to float is because the buoyant force pushing it up is greater than the force of gravity pulling it down. Naturally, it's able to float and stay there. Now what happens if I squeeze it? As you can see, it sinks. This is because as I'm squeezing the bottle, I'm actually changing the pressure inside of it. This is due to Boyle's law, which states that volume is inversely proportional to pressure. And as I'm increasing the pressure inside the water bottle, this causes the water to rush up because the air inside the pocket is compressible. More water in the straw means a heavier straw, which causes it to sink. Now as I return the pressure in the water bottle back to normal, this causes the water inside the straw to rush out of the straw, causing it to be lighter, which also causes it to float. That's about it. I hope you learned something new today. Wow! Also, special thanks to Sehyun, Marha, and Ensign for helping me out with this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.